So, you're ready to start your career as a Power BI developer? That's fantastic. But before you hit that apply button, let's explore the essential steps to prepare and stand out as a fresher in this competitive field. Honor Oath has written this LinkedIn newsletter. If you want to read it, check description. First things first, make sure you have a solid foundation in the technical skills needed for Power BI development. Microsoft Power BI. Learn to build interactive dashboards and reports. SQL. Master the art of querying and managing data. Data modeling. Understand how to structure data for efficient analysis. DAX. Data analysis expressions. Get comfortable with creating custom calculations and measures. Familiarize yourself with common data sources and connectors in Power BI, such as Excel, SQL Server, SharePoint, and Web APIs. Next, work on a portfolio that demonstrates your Power BI skills. Include projects where you've handled datasets, performed data analysis, and designed compelling visualizations. If you lack professional experience, don't worry. Create personal projects or contribute to open-source initiatives. This shows your initiative and ability to work independently. Having domain knowledge is a game changer. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or marketing, understanding the specific challenges of your target industry makes you a more attractive candidate. Study typical data challenges in your chosen field and be prepared to explain how Power BI can solve them. For example, how can Power BI streamline reporting in healthcare or enhance financial forecasting? Technical skills aren't enough. You'll need strong communication and teamwork skills to collaborate with stakeholders, from business users to IT teams. Show that you can translate business needs into actionable insights, solve problems creatively, and adapt to new tools and technologies quickly. Consider earning certifications to validate your skills. Microsoft offers the Data Analyst Associate certification, which is highly regarded in the job market. Completing it can give you a competitive edge. Invest time in training through online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Microsoft Learn, LinkedIn Learning, and Coursera are great places to start. With the right technical skills, an impressive portfolio, domain knowledge, and a proactive approach, you'll be well prepared to launch your career as a Power BI developer. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your future today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips and tech insights. See you in the next video.